Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. We're located in Springtown, Texas, which is right outside of Fort Worth, Texas. We're 17 miles from Loop 820 down Highway 199 West. We've always got a lot of new attachments, from grapple buckets to forks to hay spears to augers. Everything you'd need for a skid steer loader. We've always got a good selection of used skid steers for sale. They're checked out and ready to go. We've got AC machines, enclosed cab. We've got open cabs. We've got rubber track machines, tire machines. Just about anything you need for a skid steer loader, we've got it. And our number is 817-668-1018. If you need a skid steer loader or attachments for skid steers, please give me a call. I'm Bobby Miles at 817-668-1018. You can see all of our current inventory that we have for sale at TexasSkidSteer.com. Again, that's TexasSkidSteer.com. Come see us out in Springtown, Texas. This is Bobby Miles, wishing you a very good day. Thank you.